Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Stern, Stern Chiropractic, helping you and your kids maximize your health, performance, and quality of life naturally. Well, if you're a practice member at my clinic, or we've ever talked for a little while about health, I've probably mentioned to you my ginger turmeric tea. I've got a pot on the burner back there that's just steeping, ready to be bottled a little bit later tonight. Ginger and turmeric are tremendously anti-inflammatory, have an incredible amount of antioxidants, and are really great for you. I encourage you to go to www.sternchiro.com, go to the newsletter archive, and type ginger tea in the search box. And that recipe will come up. You'll be able to watch a video of me making it and download a recipe so you can make it at home. I really encourage you to do that. I get a lot of ginger and turmeric in my diet because I drink that tea every day. Now, a couple weeks back, Jewel had a sale on these little, they're like little juice healthy shots. One was ginger and turmeric, and they had a bunch of different flavors. And they were pretty strong. But I said, I really like that. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to do something similar. So today, I'm going to show you how to make ginger turmeric beet shots, because beets are also great for you and have a really nice flavor when blended with ginger and turmeric. All I'm going to do is peel the ginger and peel the turmeric and peel the beet. If it needs to be sliced up small enough to get it here into my juicer, then I'll do that. But I just juice it, combine it with lemon juice and lime juice, and just a touch of black pepper. The black pepper is used because it enhances the absorption of the beneficial elements of turmeric by 1,000%. It's really incredible, and it's just a tiny little bit. But today I'm going to show you how to make these just powerhouse juice shots. Note in advance, not for the faint of heart. They really are quite potent kicker, but I really love it. I use a pound and a half of ginger, a quarter pound of turmeric, and a small beet. This makes maybe a week or just over a week of shots that I can do. I just kind of pour them in these bottles or just do about a 2-ounce little shot each day. Really a great drink. Oh, and I encourage you on the website in the newsletter tab to search for juicing. I've done a couple videos, how to juice, how to pick out a juicer, the benefits of juicing. I did a video of making a vegetable juice that I have regularly that really is great for you, and I think you'll love it. I encourage you to check it out. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and peel this ginger and turmeric off screen so I don't bore the heck out of you, and I'll be back in a minute. All right, well, everything is peeled and ready to go. Now, when I make my ginger turmeric tea, I usually try to find the largest pieces of ginger and turmeric so there's less peeling to do, because then I just slice it up. But here, I try to find pieces that are going to more easily fit down the chute of this juicer. I tend to get my ginger at Garden Fresh, sometimes Woodman's. Tends to have the best prices, and well, they always seem to have fresh ginger. Turmeric, I get a Jewel usually, best price and decent turmeric. Sometimes when they don't have it, I'll get it at Garden Fresh. But both these fresh roots should be readily available, and beets, of course, you can find anywhere. So all you do is fire up the juicer and just juice. Now, this is kind of loud, so I won't make you listen to it. I'll be back in a minute. All right, now that I'm done juicing, I'll just put a little black pepper in there. Again, just a very little bit. And just put it in the bottle I'm storing it in. And then I add 3 ounces or so of the lemon and lime juice. And there we go. delicious shots. I encourage you to try it. You're going to love it, and it's great for you. Cheers. Well, again, I encourage you to go to the website, www.sternkyra.com. Go to the newsletter archive. Look up recipes. Look up other health and wellness topics. Share it with your friends, families, and coworkers. I hope you have a wonderful month. I look forward to seeing you next month. Peace.